Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable recipe, only way. Chop vegetables evenly and keep similar sizes. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a wide pan over medium heat, then add aromatics like garlic and onion. Sauté until fragrant, add root vegetables first, then quicker cooking veggies, season with salt and pepper, and finish with fresh herbs for brightness and balance. In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable recipe, only way. Begin by softening onion and garlic in the pan, then add dense vegetables like carrots and potatoes so they cook through. Cook with a splash of water or stock and cover briefly if needed. Add quicker vegetables such as bell peppers and greens near the end to preserve color and crunch, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving. In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable recipe, only way. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you appreciate durability like a reliable recipe, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and longevity. They make long cooking sessions more pleasant, and you can slide into cozy confidence while you stir. If you want the link and deals, check the description for details. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable recipe, only way. Season in stages while tasting, starting light and adjusting toward the end. Introduce a splash of lemon juice or vinegar after cooking to brighten the dish and cut richness. Finish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for aroma, and consider a tiny pinch of sugar if vegetables taste flat. Serve warm with a drizzle of oil or a sprinkle of toasted seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.